Did you know that the average person generates over 4 pounds of trash every single day? That's a staggering amount of waste that ends up in landfills, polluting our planet. The good news is that we can all make a difference by adopting eco-friendly habits. By embracing DIY solutions, we can reduce our ecological footprint and create a healthier planet for ourselves and future generations. One of the easiest ways to live a greener life is by reducing our reliance on single-use products. These items, often made from plastic, contribute significantly to pollution and take hundreds of years to decompose. Simple swaps like using reusable water bottles and shopping bags can significantly reduce our waste output. By adopting these practices, we not only minimize our environmental impact, but also save money in the long run. Let's explore some practical DIY hacks that can help us live more sustainably and create a greener future for all. Before you toss that old t-shirt or glass jar, consider giving it a new purpose. Upcycling is a creative and eco-friendly way to transform unwanted items into something useful and beautiful. Turn old t-shirts into reusable shopping bags. Simply cut off the sleeves and neckline, then sew the bottom hem to create a sturdy bag. These DIY bags are not only stylish but also durable enough to carry groceries or other items. Another great upcycling idea is to repurpose glass jars as food storage containers. Clean them thoroughly, remove labels, and use them to store leftovers, homemade jams, or bulk pantry items. Not only does this reduce plastic waste, but it also adds a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen. Instead of throwing away old magazines and newspapers, use them to create unique wrapping paper for gifts. Decorate the paper with stamps, paint, or drawings for a personalized touch. Upcycling is a fun and rewarding way to reduce waste, save money, and add a personal touch to your belongings. Single-use plastics are a major contributor to environmental pollution. Fortunately, there are plenty of reusable alternatives that are both eco-friendly and cost-effective. One of the simplest swaps is to replace disposable plastic water bottles with a reusable one. Stainless steel or glass water bottles are durable, easy to clean, and keep your drinks cold or hot for hours. Carry it with you wherever you go and refill it throughout the day. Another easy switch is to use reusable shopping bags instead of plastic ones. Keep a few cloth bags in your car or by the door so you always have them on hand. Consider switching to reusable food wraps made from beeswax or cloth. These sustainable alternatives are perfect for wrapping sandwiches, snacks, or covering leftovers. Embrace the convenience and sustainability of reusable alternatives and make a positive difference today. Many commercial cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that can be harmful to both your health and the environment. The good news is, you can easily make your own effective and eco-friendly cleaning solutions using simple, natural ingredients. One of the most versatile natural cleaners is white vinegar. Its acidic nature makes it a powerful disinfectant that can cut through grease, remove stains, and neutralize odors. Just mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle for a safe and effective all-purpose cleaner. Baking soda is another pantry staple that works wonders as a natural cleaner. Its mild abrasive properties make it ideal for scrubbing sinks, tubs, and countertops. For a refreshing and antibacterial cleaner, try using lemon juice. Its citric acid effectively cuts through grease and grime, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. By making your own cleaners, you can avoid harsh chemicals, reduce plastic waste, and create a healthier home for you and your family. Living a greener life doesn't require drastic changes. Even small, everyday actions can add up to make a big difference for the environment. Start by reducing your energy consumption at home. Turn off lights when you leave a room, unplug electronics when not in use, and use energy-efficient appliances. These simple actions can lower your electricity bill and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Conserve water by taking shorter showers, fixing leaky faucets, and watering your lawn efficiently. Consider installing low-flow showerheads and toilets to further reduce your water usage. Choose sustainable transportation options whenever possible. Walk, bike, or take public transportation instead of driving alone. If you need to drive, consider carpooling or driving an electric or hybrid vehicle. By making these small changes a part of our daily lives, we can reduce our environmental impact and inspire others to do the same. The journey towards a more sustainable lifestyle starts with each of us. By embracing DIY eco-friendly hacks, we can reduce our environmental footprint and create a healthier planet for generations to come. Upcycling, ditching disposables, and using natural cleaning solutions are just a few simple yet effective ways to live a greener life. As we become more aware of the impact our choices have on the planet, it's essential to adopt sustainable practices and inspire others to do the same. Share these eco-friendly tips with your friends, family, and community. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positive change. Start small, be consistent, and never underestimate the power of individual action.